Guys, I've done something sneaky. The baking section is never my best friend. Sparkle and shine. It's gonna start in like 20 minutes, I think. My best friend got back from New York this morning. I'm just waiting for Leanne to come out. Here she is! Good morning, guys. This is a weird place to start the vlog. But anyway, welcome back to another weekly vlog. This week is gonna be a good one. My best friend got back from New York this morning. Her flight landed at 10 AM. I'm gonna see her tomorrow and I'm so excited. I haven't seen her for months. This morning I've got up and done my makeup. I'm actually filming today. I've texted Chelsea seeing if she wants to go to Winter Wonderland tonight. I'm not gonna lie, Chelsea's the worst texter in the world, so that's probably not gonna happen. But if it does, I'll be very happy. But yeah, I'm filming today. I'm filming a baking video and I need to go and see what ingredients we've got because I definitely think I need to pop to the shop. Let's see where the day takes us. Okay, I've written myself a little shopping list. Also guys, look at this glitter palette that I bought last week, the week before. Oh my god. Hang on, let me get my torch on here. Look at these glitter shades. It is honestly such a nice palette. I think it's quite a small company, I'm not sure. I saw it on Facebook. They are literally like pure glitter eyeshadows. I've used this one, I've used Ignite today. I'm not the best at eyeshadow, so you probably can't see it that well, but they're such pretty colours. And the eyelashes that I have on today are actually these ones. They were sent to me. They are these Little Mix ones. I really like these ones. They're really like fluttery. Oh, they're called Flutter FX. Wispy effect. I like them. Not gonna lie, whenever I film a baking video, the baking section is never my best friend. I'm so rubbish at finding things. Literally, am I blind? Like, I can never find anything I want. Oh, food colourings. Here we go, that's what I'm after. I've just got back. I'm having a really nutritious lunch today. In Asda, bit that is always my weakness is like the party foods. This isn't just for me, but look how strong this lunch is. Although I'm not gonna lie, half of this is for me, so I love being a health guru. Although saying that, I am actually gonna start to think about my diet a bit more in the new year. I mean, I think everyone says that when it gets to New Year, so it probably lasts about a week. But I tweeted yesterday asking you guys what the best alternative for cow's milk is. Not for any like particular health reasons. I just saw this video online and I was like, oh. Even though I eat meat, I feel like this is quite a controversial topic, but I feel like any little changes that you can make or that you are willing to make, every little bit helps, you know. So I'm gonna try and switch to a different milk next year. Also aware that I look really odd with no lipstick on, but I'm gonna eat, so what's the point? Okay guys, quick update. It's been about half an hour. I've got all my ingredients, my oven's preheating, so now I'm gonna film this baking video. A little bit nervous about this, I'm not gonna lie, but we'll try our best. Are we all ready for the best part of the day? You know you've done too much online shopping when the bank literally block your card because they think it's been stolen. I tried to use my debit card today and it wasn't authorised. No, that's it, that's great, thank you. Guys, I've done something sneaky. So tomorrow is my mum's birthday and I'm just about to write her card, and for her birthday I bought her tickets to see Nativity on Friday. It's a show in London and she's been talking about it for a really long time, so I booked us tickets for Friday, done a scavenger hunt. So inside her birthday card is number 1 and then it leads her all the way, and what I'm going to do is in my office, that'll be where the surprise is, and I'm going to set up our nativity set. I don't know when I'm going to get to do it though, but I love doing things like this and she's going to be so surprised as well. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I've just set up the nativity. There are the tickets in there.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, Hannah.
It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Good morning everyone. So today is, what's the day today? Thursday? It's my mum's birthday today. I did her little birthday surprise for her this morning. It was very, very cute. We went out this morning and got some Christmas presents. And now we've come back, we've cooked some lunch, and we're going to take it into where my mum works. My mum works with my dad, so like everyone who works there is sort of like family, friends and stuff. So we're having a little birthday gathering for her at work today. And my best friend Leanne used to work at this place as well. And as I said earlier, Leanne got back from New York, so I'm going to see Leanne today for the first time in months, and I'm so excited about it. So that's the plan for this Thursday lunchtime, and then tonight we're going out for a meal for my mum's birthday, so that should be nice. Look how nice and golden these sausage rolls look. You can't really tell on the camera actually, but they look so like glazed. I'm just waiting for Leanne to come out. She'll be here any minute. I'm nervous. Here she is! Yay! Oh my gosh, it's been so long. Hello. She's back. Yay! I'm so happy.
How'd you feel?
It's filming now. Leanne's back. There she is. I've just got home. Toy Story is on the telly, but we're actually going to watch Nativity. And I've recently discovered my new favourite snack is popcorn. Not pre-popped popcorn, the popcorn that you put in the microwave, although the last one I did almost set a light to it and I'm not sure how it came out. It was all black, it was all smoky, and I was like, oh god. It's just a really nice light snack. I think it's underrated as a snack option personally. Let me know in the comments down below, do you prefer sweet or salted popcorn? I'm definitely more of a sweet kind of person. I'd eat salted because it's edible. If it's food, I'm gonna eat it, but sweet is definitely my preference. We'll have a meaningful chat. Hey guys, it's a bit later now. We are just going out for dinner for my mum's birthday. We're going to Miller and Carter. Very excited to have their roast beef or whatever it's called. Yeah, I thought I'd just update you. I've just been doing some of these templates on my Instagram story, so they look like this. Oh wow, that's good. I'll show you in a minute. But if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me because I'm using Instagram stories quite a lot these days and I'm really enjoying it. Hey guys, today is Friday and time is currently 10 to 4. We're just about to head into London to go and see Nativity tonight. We're going to go out for dinner. We're both very excited. We're not sure where we're going to go out for dinner yet, just somewhere probably around Hammersmith because it's at Hammersmith Apollo, so probably just find somewhere around there, maybe a Nando's. Do you fancy Nando's? Yes. I always fancy Nando's, I'm hungry too. And then we're going to go in and watch Nativity. I'm so excited now. Sparkle and shine. Could be in it. We've just got to our seats. We've got a good view actually, haven't we? We're like up in the circle, row D. I'm excited. It's going to start in like 20 minutes, I think. So guys, oh my hair needs a brush so badly. You know, like when you've been on the tube, walking through the tube stations, getting on the train and everything's just windy, that. But anyway, we've just got back. It's actually 10 to 12 now, so it's quite late. It took us a while to get home because it was at Hammersmith Apollo, which is literally like so West London and I live so East London. Dying for a cuppa right now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm such a middle-aged woman. Nativity was so good. I mean, I knew it was gonna be because I saw it last year and it was like pretty much exactly the same, other than it had like Danny Dyer in it and the other Danny Dyer in it and Joe Brand as well. Not her biggest fan, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow I'm seeing Leanne, but I'm obviously gonna bring you with me. Good morning. So today is Saturday. I'm about to go and pick Leanne up. We're going out for lunch. We're gonna have a full catch up all day for hours on end. I'll try and film a little bit, but in fairness, I haven't seen Leanne for like 3 months. She's my BFF. We've been working on a PowerPoint for each other, so to update each other on our lives we have these PowerPoints to present. I think that's a really good idea because you would just forget all the details otherwise. So every important thing that's happened in my life over the past few months is in the PowerPoint. So today is PowerPoint presentation day. Look who I'm with again. She's back. We're just waiting for our food now. Excited, I'm so hungry and I found a good parking space, so today is a good day. Our food's just arrived. I've gone for the southern fried chicken burger. Delish. Yours looks really nice, Leanne. Leanne's got like these chicken skewer things with peri-peri sauce, chips. Love it. Are you excited? Buzzing, mate. Hi guys, we're back in the car now. We're gonna drive home. Have a little drive with me segment. Woo! Mama always said you're trouble. Woman like me, it's a woman like me. We don't care. Woo! I love this song. Smooth talking, slow rocking. People behind probably thinking what the hell, they're laughing at us. It's us. We're back. We're at Leanne's now. We've been here for ages. Leanne recently moved to New York. If you don't watch my vlogs, you might not know that. But I thought I'd do a little Q&A about New York. So my first question for you, Leanne, is what's your favourite meal to cook?
Chicken and roast potato.
Have you seen the Statue of Liberty?
Yeah.
Have you seen the Empire State?
Yeah, I live right by it.
Do they have a lot of apples?
No.
Do you have a bath in the place where you live?
Yeah.
Have you discovered any new American foods that you like?
No.
Mac and cheese? Wow, this is a really interesting Q&A. What about shopping? Where do you like do food shopping?
Trader Joe's and Target. Hashtag not spawn.
Not spawn. Do you think it is the concrete jungle where dreams are made of?
Yeah.
Okay guys, I've got a bit of explaining to do. So last night Leanne and I just sat and chatted for hours and hours and hours. Then I got home today. Today I have redone my nails. I've done my Christmas nails. Red for Christmas. So excited. So it's actually Sunday now. Christmas is in 2 days. 3 3 more sleeps, people. I'm very excited about it. I know you're all probably thinking, Hannah, what's happened to the advent calendar? Don't worry, I've got you. Here's a little roundup. On the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st and 22nd day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me an eyelash and brow brush, a little tiny hand cream, a pair of eyelash curlers, a tiny mango shower gel, a black kohl eyeliner, and a strawberry smoothing face mist. That was quicker, wasn't it? And then today is the 23rd of December. So, on the 23rd day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a matte lip liquid in the shade Tahiti Hibiscus. That was a long one. That was a mouthful. I can't believe we're nearly at the end of the advent calendar. We just got the 24th and the 25th left now. Also, I've been putting the boxes back where they came from, and I think it's a puzzle because this is not a picture currently, but I feel like this could be a picture. Oh, exciting. Exciting little Christmas Day puzzle waiting for me there. But anyway, tonight is a very exciting evening because it is a little school reunion catch up with the girls evening tonight. We're going to my friend Molly's house for a Chinese. It's very, very rare that we all manage to get together because people work different times and different shifts. But tonight it's just the 5 of us. We're having a girls' night. I'm very excited about it. We're going to have a big old annual catch up. So I'm not going to be able to film a lot, but I will try and get a couple of clips and it should be a cute little evening. So guys, that brings us to the end of this weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're watching this on Monday, I hope you're having a lovely Christmas Eve. If you happen to be watching this on Tuesday, I hope you're having a lovely Christmas Day, and if you're watching this later on, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. But for now, that's it from me. Do subscribe to follow my journey into the new year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!